What's going on, Casey?
I just had a piece of popcorn in my shirt, and he just rolled a piece of popcorn off of his nose and caught it in his mouth. The coolest thing ever. I wish you would have gotten that. But, okay, there was a piece of popcorn in my shirt, and I didn't realize it until just now. But, I've been trying to catch popcorn in my mouth.
Popcorn.
And I'm really, really bad at this stuff. Oh, I stepped on the ice cube. I got this.
There's an ice cube on the floor.
It's right there. Now I step on it and slid across. Don't kick it towards me, I'm gonna fall. I don't want to pick it back up. Oh,
Cole's just gonna eat it.
I don't even know where it went. Oh well. Oh.
Where was that going?
It bounced off my tooth. I caught it. I'm going to get this one.
Here.
I got it. Now Libby's going to do it. I don't even know if you can see my face.
You can kind of. Okay.
Oh!
Okay, I got it.
Yeah! Oh, you're so good at it. I'm so awful. Yeah. Why can you do that?
This isn't like 2 pieces now.
I want to try it again.
Here.
I just like zoomed in her boobs.
Thank you for that.
You know you liked it.
Yeah, buddy.
And do one more. I don't even like popcorn. Okay.
I don't even like popcorn.
Bye.